Gaa-onizhishid, zhigo, Asinii, Gaa-niigaanishkawaad.
Apaja minotagwatanin Jemsla is single.
Gigitsago apaja.
You are telling Red Johnny Mack that you want Oshki Ayan Kanagengun when you can have the rockets? You are. Well then, Oshki Ayan Kanagengun it is.
This is the place.
Minanges, Chipak. By the end of the day, Mackie will come through. Minawa. Rodney and the rockets. What a pleasant surprise. Vaganan Gaa-binaska Mack.
Junior Gaa-mazinaasowaad.
Well, that's... let me just...
Hey! Ah! Get that loser! He's getting away!
And on top of it all, you're here with me. Look at me in a different role.
Bonjour, Mac. We have been looking high and low for you.
Oh, bonjour, Johan. I had some trouble with the last tour. Честно, I didn't make a penny. Huh? Успокойтесь,
You owe us, and we're going to shake whatever we can out of you.
Gaa-onizhishid чи do the make away. Johan, I'll pay you back. Big Cab is in the mock. I just think I got the greatest idea of my whole career.
And what might that be, дорогенький Mac?
I'm going to produce a rock opera of timeless tale, Красавица чудовище.
And who might be playing красавица in this production of yours, дорогенький Mac?
No, Mama's in jam. Oh, jam. Zhigo Gaa-mazinaasowaad.
Packet from London for Gem Zhigo Gaa-mazinaasowaad.
Miigwech. Airline tickets to London.
To London?
London?
I wonder who sent them.
Yeah. Let's see. Dear Jem, I would be delighted if you would star in my new rock opera, Beauty and the Beast. Enclosed, find script and contract for your approval. Sincerely, Red Johnny Mack.
Red Johnny Mack?
Let me look this over.
Gaa-mazinaasowaad, Jericho. What do you think?
Well, it seems like a first-class show. I think we should do it.
Yeah, let's go then. London, here we come.
Вони будуть тут будь-якої миті.
Excuse me, we're looking for Red Johnny Mack?
Jam Zhigo Gaa-mazinaasowaad. Allow me to introduce myself. Red Johnny Mack. До ваших послуг.
Bonjour, it's nice to meet you. This is Rio, our road manager, and Kimber,
Delighted.
Shayna,
Charmed.
Aja,
Enchanted.
Shikorea.
Pleased beyond words.
Mamakat Kyojin Dan Zigninanich.
And now some Wijivaganak I want you to meet. Miwa Zero Jones from Toronto, Canada. He is our set designer. Jigoin Yan Yi Jong Chun. He is techno artist of the highest quality. He will be designing the beast for us.
I preferred to use a traditional Wolferman design with a modern twist. I'll enhance this costume with computer-generated special effects operated by remote control.
Oh wow, that's super exciting, Young Yi. And the castle for the beast could be a giant power plant castle with a big turbine engine in the living room.
It's crazy, but beautiful.
I knew you'd like it. Rehearsals begin tomorrow. Нижу особо баяган гежейб.
So, Jem is playing Beauty Toy Show?
Toy Show? If the show is a hit, the music soundtrack alone will make them internationally famous.
Well, let's see what we can do about that. How do you like a little trip back home to marry all England chatter?
I can't wait to get started.
Девчата, come down here for a minute. We'd like to take a few photos of you with these items.
Howsa? A little closer together. Mije. Watch the beastie. Fine. Hold it. Excellent. Very good.
Whew, let's get rehearsing before we're too bushed to budge.
Places Gakinauya. Rehearsal time.
Oh, Mac, это Gaa-onizhishid. Mac?
Oh, he took off with the photographer.
Ні. Away, Gwen. Got him with it. Got him in the man.
Gawain, don't hurt me, beast. I didn't mean to do anything wrong.
Gegasa. What does a workman want with a basua bigger bitchigan?
It's for my Danis, Gaa-onizhishid. I'm too bored to buy one for her. She and her sister sing and play.
Send Gidanis to me, and I will let you go. But if she refuses, you shall be my slave!
Anin and Baba.
Gaa-onizhishid, where are your sisters?
Oh, they'll be home for dinner. Where did you get that?
I have made a terrible mistake.
And Baba?
Anin and Baba? Well, we're home, Gaa-onizhishid. What's for dinner?
Yeah, we're starving.
So get to it, Gaa-onizhishid, Asham Mishnah. Hey, and Baba, this is just what we wanted.
Minange, it'll make all the difference in our sound.
Gawain, you don't know what you're asking.
Well, why don't you tell us, Baba?
The man I work for, rather the beast I work for.
Beast?
Get this Baswa Big A Bitchigan was his, but I thought it was abandoned, and I took it for Gaa-onizhishid.
Gaa-onizhishid? Of course, we should have known if you took something, it would be for her.
Yeah.
He said I could keep the Baswa Big A Bitchigan if Gaa-onizhishid came to live with him. If not, I'll have to go back to the plant and be his slave forever.
Huh, is that all? I thought it was gonna be something more serious.
Would you want to live with a beast?
Ashin, duh, but he asked for beauty, and she's such a goody-goody, she'll go. Right, Gaa-onizhishid?
Don't worry, Baba. They're right. I will go to the beast.
But without you, my life will be a nightmare.
You must be beauty.
Gaa-onizhishid.
Namada bin, with the permission.
I'm not hungry.
It was not an invitation. What? Do I disgust you? Gangatino, Ingabakinage, Gizagati wen.
You'll never win my love, coming on so strong. You'll never win my love, you're going at it all wrong. You'll never win my love, acting cruel and mean. You'll never win my love unless you change your routine. If you abuse me, you'll only lose me. You'll never make me care. Give me a rough time. You'll have a tough time. You'll never get anywhere. What are you thinking of when you act unkind? You'll never win my love without a new frame of mind. If you abuse me, you'll only lose me. You'll never win my love.
Wipa Jem Neap Tapitako Shin. Mishiko Jem Aja Neap Takoshin. Go ahead, kill me if you will, but I would rather die than suffer your tyranny.
Oh, Miawe, that'll have to be it for today. We need to do more work on the set if it's gonna be ready for opening night. Miss Jem, did you hear me?
Please, we have a scene to finish, huh? Where is he? Where's the beast?
Jem, Becca! What's gotten into her?
Binned again.
Where's the beast?
Oh, he had to go. I just came up here to congratulate him on Key's performance.
Oh, he was wonderful. I just can't wait to meet him in person.
Oh, well, maybe you would even like him. Anyhow, right now you have another photo session to worry about.
More promotion? Gana Gichi-miigwech.
I never joke about promotion. It's my zarobitok. Gaa-mazinaasowaad. Where are you? Come on, divchatka. We need you.
What's the buzz?
Another little photo session.
There we go, Jem. Now how about one all together? Very good. Beautiful. Super. I love it. Marvelous.
Mac, can we call it a day now?
Harast. That's a wrap. But I'll pick you up tomorrow, crack of dawn.
Oh, just a few more scenes to memorize. But I miss my family. I miss my... I miss my sleep.
Bindigan, Monsieur Sejak. Do not waste time.
Oh, bonjour, mademoiselle. I have brought for you my latest creations. Ojibwe, mademoiselle approves?
Gawain.
Mwah, exquisite.
I'm sorry, Gawain.
It is so keen. Heads will turn. Obviously, mademoiselle, none of these will please you.
Oh, it's not your fault, Monsieur Sejak. These are the most beautiful fashions I've ever seen. But this is not the way to my Ode.
I will give you big ogegu.
My freedom?
Anything. But that.
Jerica, Gosh cousin. We have to go to the theater.
Huh? Oh, I was dreaming about the beast. Oh, I'm so tired.
Hey, we're all tired. We haven't had a 3-hour sleep since we got here.
We have something very exciting to show you today.
Minogegi ship, ladies. Check out the latest set.
Misagwe.
That Zero is a genius.
Great, Zero.
Ojibwe Zero. But we've got a show to rehearse, so let's get on with it. Ante the beast.
All she can think of is the beast.
Amandaya, my pretty. Amandaya.
Ready when you are.
I thought she was tired.
Are you happy now, beauty?
Gawain, I want to see Baba.
The stage is spinning out of control.
Noah, stop! You'll ruin everything.
That's the idea, Durak.
All right, Pizzazz. Miminik.
Ow! Аго, відчепись від мене! Задавака! Hand me!
Rio, what happened?
Just the misfits causing trouble. Don't worry, we threw them out.
All right, shall we pick it up from the top?
Hamayet.
Miigwech, Rio. Oh, don't mention it, Gem.
Are you happy now, beauty?
Gawain, I want to see Baba.
But you have everything here.
I miss my family. I miss my home. Can't I just visit them for a day? Please?
Let me go, set me free, and let me fly.
If you go, don't you know that I will die?
Let me go, I will see you soon again.
If you go, I will be the unhappiest of men.
Let me go, I'll return to you, I swear. Let me go, in your dreams I'll still be there.
Let me go, you must pack your bags and go.
Though I go, I'll be back before you know. Let me go, I'll return to you, I swear. Let me go, in your dreams I'll still be there.
I must let
me go.
Hey, great number, Gem. It's a real showstopper.
Rio, don't break my concentration.
I'm just congratulating you.
Where did the beast go?
The beast. The beast! You're obsessed with that beast! Gem, enough is enough. You're exhausted. We're going back to the hotel for dinner. You girls are really dragging. I don't like all this promotion, and I'd tell Mac just that if I could find the little rat. Maybe we should quit the show before you all collapse. I don't think he'll stop until you're all dropping in your tracks.
Bizonigo zanigan, inkiotapena mindash.
Why do I get the feeling that you don't want to leave? Because if you did, you wouldn't get to see the beast again.
Rio, the beast is a character. He's not real. Are you jealous of a character in a show? Besides, I'm not that tired. Ugh.
Oh!
Gem!
Wipa Gem Neap Tapitako Shin Nishiko Gem Aja Neap takoshin.
Just a little exhaustion. She will be quite fine after a few weeks' rest.
Weeks? But we're here doing a show.
Can it, Rhea? She'll get her rest, Doctor. Don't you worry about that.
Miigwech, I will drop in tomorrow.
The show. What about the show? It must go on.
This time, it must go on with somebody else.
Shinadubwe, I can't believe I'm saying this, but let's go find the misfits.
Well, well, if it is not the Gaa-mazinaasowaad without Gem, I would ask where she is, but I don't care.
Why aren't you at the theater?
Because Jem is sick. Too sick to go on.
What do you mean, Akozi? She has to go on. What will happen to the show?
We've already talked to the Misfits and they're willing to do it.
The Misfits? Misfits? Ні, їх тут не буде.
We're sorry, Mac. Maybe if you hadn't pushed us so hard.
Фантастично. It's like a story. Красавиця leaves, promises to come back and never show up. So чудовище dies. Only this time entire production will die. So you will really have to crank up the beast effects if anything gonna save this production.
Mac, you have been a bad boy, and I'm not too happy because of it.
No, you don't do anything you will regret.
Ти збрехав мені, Мак. Ти никчемний невдаха. You said it was zhigo Gaa-mazinaasowaad playing in the show, and now it's the Misfits. I don't like the Misfits.
Neither do I.
Стежте за язиками, хлопці. If you are not careful, you'll hurt my feelings, and I won't go on. Then you won't have anybody.
Unfortunately, you had the workshop.
I feel so refreshed.
Well, look who's up and around.
Boy, I really needed a good night's sleep. What's with the faces?
Jem, you've been out cold, Gaa-onizhishid.
What about the show? Rehearsals? The preview?
The Misfits are doing the show.
Gichi-miigwech? Why?
Because we were afraid it was too much for you.
Ampe, let's go.
Big Hap, where are we going?
We Ganesh Wenji Gashgendaman, beauty. Do you really care if that beast kicks the bucket?
Gawin, Ach, that is scenario. I sense something gentle about him, Fuhidota! This script stinks! Now let me tell you something about this beast.
Jem, kiwish away. You gotta take it easy.
Miigwech, Rio. Youngie, there's been a mistake. I'm ready to go on if Max still wants me.
Anashana, get a kit?
I'll take over now, Pizzazz.
Sure, Ashinda! Pizzazz is here to stay!
It wasn't a suggestion. Jem here will be taking over the rest of the show.
And what if I refuse?
Gentlemen, if you please.
Що? Gawin! Ви не можете цього зробити! I'm an enank! Get your filthy hands off me!
Oh, beauty, where are you? You promised you would return.
You're better off without her.
I am here, dear beast. You will not die.
It's Jem!
What? Jem!
Jem, I mean beauty, you have come back. You have come back.
I couldn't let anything happen to you. I care too much.
But I am a beast. Could you really love a beast?
Many men are handsome, but they're often beasts on the inside. You have a greater beauty, an inner beauty.
Our love makes you beautiful to me. Our love makes you beautiful to me. Love causes a change of heart. Love gives a whole new start. Our love makes you beautiful to me. An endless source of joy that changed our lives around. Time will not destroy the transformation. That's cause for celebration. Our love makes you beautiful to me. Our love makes you beautiful to me.
You were wonderful. I had no idea.
Who better to play the beast, Gem?
You're a real artist, Mac. From now on, don't try to hide it.
You got a hit, дорогенький Mac. You got a great big hit.
Very big hit. We're all gonna be rich.
I'll say, oh, wow! I already have hundreds of orders for my fashions from all the wonderful photos of Jem and the Quiznins modeling them.
What did you think, Rio?
You were fantastic.
Jem, don't forget the cast party.
In a minute.
Have you really fallen for the beast? I mean, Mac.
Gowing of beans, Rio. It's just the romance of the theater, you know? The house lights go down and something happens. But when they come up, it's over. The stage is one thing, real life is another. And I still know the difference. We pa Jem neap, tapi tako shin.